I gotta get out of here. This doesn't look good. Sometimes you just gotta get stuck in order to move forward. This spot seems perfect, nice and relaxing. Time to set up and choose a subject. I decided to paint a little bit of the stream where the water goes over some rocks and the light catches the water, so it brightens it up a lot. And I wanted to try to capture that. Once Althea got settled, she had a really great time in the forest. My goal was to do a tiny little painting of this creek. And I chose a spot where I could kind of zoom in between some branches and some leaves. So it's sort of like a little window of the creek. This helps me stay focused on what I'm painting and not biting off more than I can chew, because I only allowed myself a few hours to do this. I ended up spending more time driving than I did painting, but it was totally worth it. Scoot. If you'd like to support my channel, I've got a lot of cool things on my Patreon, including more painting. Buttery. I am super glad that I took the day to go out to the woods and just do a tiny little painting. And I wasn't really concerned with the outcome. I was just doing it for the practice and the exercise of getting out and painting something different. By the end, the whole scene was almost entirely in shadow. Sometimes you just gotta get out of the studio.